All right, these are the new elevation bars here with 2 grams of net carbs per serving. This one is actually the one that tastes like a Snickers bar. We're gonna have Papi taste test these in just a moment. We're on our way to pick up Papi, if you'll bear with me.
But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. I'll be releasing videos every week on the ketogenic lifestyle.
All right, we're gonna go pick up Papi right now. Here he is, he's coming. Hey, Papi, how you doing?
Okay.
What's going on? How you feeling?
Good. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
How you doing? Good. How you doing?
Good.
All right, Papi. So I'm gonna do a quick video here.
Oh, you're doing video? Okay.
All right. So this is the new keto-friendly bars from Aldi's, elevation bars, and we're gonna need your help in trying these.
Okay. Cool.
And give us your honest opinion. This is actually supposed to taste just like a Snickers bar.
Okay. Let me check it out.
All right, so you want to try it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, try it. Keto friendly, diabetic friendly.
Okay. Well, good. Hey, it smells really good.
Smells good.
Not bad. Doesn't have any sugar. But it tastes nice. It satisfies my urge for sugar.
You like it?
Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, it's good.
Good.
It's a good bar. It's a good snack.
Yeah.
It's tasty. I taste the peanuts, the caramel, peanut butter, and the chocolate. But it's, satisfying.
It's good.
Not bad. For a chocolatey snack that you know it's good for you, and you can't have sugar. Try to stay away from like real Snickers and real chocolate. This is perfect. You're diabetic, or when you're on a diet, you have urges. Chocolate bar. To have something like this in the house is perfect.
Yeah, this one supposedly doesn't even impact your sugar,
It's great.
believe it or not. So maybe that'll be a future video. We'll do a video to see if it impacts your blood sugar.
Well, definitely. You can see right here.
Oh, it says it?
1 gram.
1 gram of sugar, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so you know what you're gonna get?
What?
You're gonna get to keep the whole box.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate
Yeah.
it.
So that's for you and your services here.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Okay.